Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Racing Champions Mint. This is a Plymouth. It's a 1970 Plymouth Superbird. And I already said it's from Racing Champions. It says it right there again. Comes with this little stand, and it also comes with this collectible right here that looks like it's yellowing. So I want to get it out of the package. It might not be. It might be just the way it looks. There is an issue number on the bottom of the vehicle, a serial number on the back of the package. And your serial number on this one is 14815. There's another number stamped right there. Item number, there's a phone number. I did see a copyright somewhere, 1996 copyright, so could be a 1997, could be a 1996, but not a 164 scale, it's a 168 scale. Which means it's longer, I guess. And I don't have a Superbird out here from Hot Wheels. I didn't think like that. Let's see, what else can we read? I don't see anything else that we need to see. Wonder what that screws into. See the screws? Oh no, that's not screwing into anything. That's holding the piece together. Alright, let's get this open. How are we going to do this now? I don't care about the package. I'm not going to save anything from this package, so I'm just going to tear into it. Like that, and then like that. Tear it right in half. Let's tear down here first, make it easier to pop out. Oh, it's a plastic stand. Did not expect this. Wow. So that's what it's all about. Comes with a little showcase. I'm glad I wasn't too rough with that. It sounded like I was. And it's screwed into that. Wow, I had no clue. Let's take a look at the car now. No. Freewheeling in the back. Free rolling in the back for the wheel. Ooh. Is that bent? Just the tires on wrong. And that does look a little bent. Huh. Rubber tires that pop off. So it'd be easy to customize this one. You just put new rubbers on it. If I mess around with it enough, I probably can get that to free roll a lot better than it's doing. There's the engine. It says Plymouth right there. That is a mad metallic blue. Driving is in on the left, and you can see the stick shift too. We're doing this video at an early morning hour. That's why you hear so many beautiful birds. It's all metal. And it's metal on metal, but this little piece right here is plastic. Why wouldn't they just come over with the metal? That's strange to me. So the bumper is plastic. Spoiler and all that, all the roof, all metal, hood, metal, plastic engine. Does it roll? Nope. No roller. No roller, no roller. Because of that front wheel, I gotta fix. Well, if I give it a good push, you just gotta push it hard enough. Backwards too. Well, it's all about this stand, I guess. This is kind of cool. Did not expect that at all. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out. You just watched me open up a Plymouth Superbird. 1970 Plymouth Superbird. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And Till next time. T10 out.